Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest working and updated Delta Executor for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website, it's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys. Click on Delta Executor and then it will load up like this. So there we go. Now we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So guys, if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com on your browser, go to your profile, and in your profile there is your user ID like this, guys. So these numbers are your user ID. So just make sure to copy your whole URL. And let's get back to our tool. So just make sure to click here and to paste your whole user ID. So guys, when you paste it here, like if you click here, it will automatically scrape only your user ID from that link. Just make sure to click connect account. It will start fetching our Roblox profile, guys, and you should get user found and your name. So boom, guys, there we go. It's my name, it's my avatar. So now we'll have to click on this import newest Delta Executor. And now guys, if you want, you can select and install additional scripts that you would like to get. So I will get these 4 and you can Google them, guys. If you like some, you can import them. Click continue and it will start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. So yeah, and look at this, guys, API is connected, our user account is connected, our Delta Executor ready, and guys, we got our activation key. There we go. But it's, as you can see, still not revealed. So now we will have to click on I'm not robot and to finish this, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not robot, guys. It will start loading like this, and then boom, look at this, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. User ID, and now our key is unrevealed. Look at this, guys, we can see whole key. So now we will open our Roblox and we will see is it actually working. Let's play, for example, grow a garden. I don't know, let's test with grow a garden, guys. So we should get our Delta Executor along 4 scripts selected. So let's see now, is it actually working or no. So nice, guys, look at this, we actually got our Delta Executor. Thank you for using Delta. Look at this, guys, nice. And now let's see our scripts. Yeah, they are all as we selected: Overflow, Forge Hub, Use, and Soluna. Guys, we can click for this script, Forge Hub, for example, and let's see, guys, is it actually working. So yeah, look at this, it's loading. Game detected, grow garden. Guys, I'm so excited because it worked after testing a lot of websites. So look at this, guys, look at this, we can do now literally whatever we like. I mean, you can play with those options, player ESP. Look at this, guys, no clip, player walk speed. Let's test this. So nice, guys, it works amazing. We got it for free and you can use literally whatever script you like. We can click on use as well. And guys, Delta worked so far on bloxforge.com. It's the only website that actually worked so far. Look at this, guys, you can also do literally whatever you like in another script. Look at this. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.